absolute truth about ashwagandha's safety.
So it's super popular, right? But is this massive stress reliever actually hiding a dark, toxic secret?
Well, spattered reports of liver injury have popped up, totally freaking out health-conscious consumers.
To get the real scoop, researchers unleashed advanced AI on nearly 1,400 scientific studies. The verdict? A whopping 97% of those papers found absolutely zero safety concerns. And that remaining 3%? It was mostly targeted cytotoxicity, literally fighting cancer cells.
Actual liver issues? Incredibly rare. We're talking crazy high doses, mixed ingredients, or pre-existing conditions.
Next up, scientists used QSAR tech. This predicts danger just by looking at a molecule's physical shape. They mapped out all 338 unique molecules inside ashwagandha to hunt down any toxic culprits.
Look at this stark divide. Safe, green bioactive compounds over here, and potentially toxic red ones there. But here's the absolute game changer. Those red, risky molecules, completely missing from the plant's root.
Yep, the root alone is amazingly clean, showing zero predicted liver or reproductive toxicity. Zero. Now, the leaves and stems, they do contain stuff like trypene, which carries documented toxicity risks.
But stacked against hundreds of everyday edible plants and supplements, ashwagandha still ranks way safer overall.
It actually perfectly matches herbs scientifically proven not to cause liver injury. The data doesn't lie.
So ashwagandha is incredibly safe if you stick to the root. Go check your supplement label right now.